Welcome to YardVibz TV. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Driving from Regent's Park to Holland Park in London offers a picturesque journey through some of the city's most notable areas, brimming with iconic landmarks and vital infrastructure. Here's a detailed description of this drive, incorporating a route that passes over the Marylebone Flyover, Westway Roundabout, and Holland Park Roundabout, and includes a mention of the Sherlock Holmes Museum. Your journey begins at Regent's Park, one of London's royal parks, renowned for its stunning gardens, the London Zoo, and the open-air theatre. Exit the park via Marylebone Road A501, a major thoroughfare. Travel west along Marylebone Road, passing important institutions like the Royal Academy of Music and Madame Tussauds. Near Baker Street, you'll find the Sherlock Holmes Museum, located at 221B Baker Street, which is a must-see for fans of the famous detective. Adjacent to the museum is Baker Street Station, a key underground hub offering connections to several lines, including the Bakerloo, Jubilee, and Metropolitan. Marylebone Flyover A40. Continue straight onto the Marylebone Flyover A40, a crucial piece of infrastructure that elevates you above the busy streets of Paddington and Edgware Road. The flyover provides a more direct and less congested route towards West London, offering views of the cityscape as you drive. As you drive on the flyover, you will pass near Paddington Station, a major railway and underground station. This area is a significant transportation hub, offering connections to Heathrow Airport via the Heathrow Express. Nearby, you can find St. Mary's Hospital, one of London's key medical institutions. Proceed along the A40, also known as the Westway. As you approach the Westway roundabout, prepare to navigate this major intersection. The roundabout efficiently manages traffic flow from several key routes, ensuring smoother travel towards West London. Holland Park Avenue. After the Westway roundabout, continue on the A40 until you reach the Holland Park roundabout. This roundabout is a vital junction connecting various routes. Take the exit towards Holland Park Avenue A402, directing you towards your destination. Travel along Holland Park Avenue, which is lined with elegant shops and cafes. This road leads directly to Holland Park, an oasis of greenery and tranquility. The park features the beautiful Kyoto Garden, opera performances in the summer, and the remains of Holland House. Notable stops and landmarks along the way. Sherlock Holmes Museum, dedicated to the famous fictional detective, located at 221B Baker Street. Madame Tussauds, famous wax museum near Baker Street. Royal Academy of Music, prestigious conservatoire on Marylebone Road. Baker Street Station, key underground station. Paddington Station, major railway and underground station. St. Mary's Hospital, significant medical institution near Paddington. Portobello Road Market, world-renowned street market in Notting Hill. Holland Park, serene park with gardens, wildlife, and cultural events.